People keep comparing Seedream 4.0 and Nano Banana, debating which one's better. But now you don't need to pick a side because both are finally running together inside Pippit AI. Let me show you how it works and what you can actually create. To get started, simply open Sign Up on Pippit AI, tap AI Design, and you're ready. Everything runs in 3 steps. Type your desired design in the prompt box, upload your reference photo, choose resolution, and click Generate. That's it. The results come in seconds, and the variety is huge. Now let's explore different categories of what you can do. First, let's talk about figures and scaling. This is one of the most entertaining categories. A simple selfie can be turned into a spinning 3D collectible figure. You can use it as an avatar, a digital statue, or even print it as a model to place on your desk. You can also play with size. I uploaded a normal picture of my pet, combined it with a skyline, and the result was my pet towering over the buildings like a skyscraper. It's surreal but incredibly fun. Another fun twist is transforming yourself into a Lego minifigure or a Molly-style chibi character. It's playful, stylized, and perfect for sharing on social media. Next, let's look at bringing old memories back to life. With one prompt, a blurry or damaged photo can be sharpened, colorized, and even animated. Imagine taking an old black and white family picture and watching it move for the first time. You can also instantly create Polaroid-style photos with faded retro tones that feel timeless, or turn any selfie into a vintage portrait that looks like it was taken decades ago. Custom sticker. From these old photos, you can even generate stickers or meme packs to make them fun and usable in daily chats. Fashion and identity. This category is all about transforming your style and identity. Upload a photo, and within seconds you can try different hairstyles, hair colors, or lipstick shades. No salon, no makeup kit, just instant results. If you need something more serious, you can generate professional headshots. Perfect for LinkedIn, resumes, or any situation where you need a polished photo without hiring a photographer. You can switch outfits into historical styles, cultural fashion, or modern runway looks. One click and you're dressed for a completely different era or culture. Creativity and storytelling. This is where imagination really takes over. One sentence can teleport you anywhere. Stand on the surface of the moon, appear in front of the Eiffel Tower, or walk the streets of Tokyo, all generated from a simple prompt. Become anyone. You can also transform into characters. Not copyrighted ones, but original anime-inspired protagonists, fantasy heroes, or cyberpunk avatars. Turn your photos into Pixar-style posters, cyberpunk masterpieces, or futuristic pop art. These aren't filters, they're fully generated custom styles tailored to your image. From image to video, and it's not limited to still images. Every creation you make can be animated into a video. For example, that giant pet towering over a city. With one tap, you can watch it move, blink, or interact with the environment. Family portraits or old pictures can be brought to life, not just colorized but animated so they smile, talk, and move naturally. You can generate mini video clips from single images, opening the door to short animations and story-driven content. So, across these categories, figures and scale, memories and restoration, fashion and identity, creative storytelling, and image to video. Pippit AI Design powered by Nano Banana and Seedream 4.0 lets you do it all. What should I create next? Drop your ideas in the comments below, or try it yourself at our official website. It's free before October 10th. And if you want more, don't forget to use code PIPPIT45OFF for 45% off. And if you want to explore all the incredible features Pippit AI has to offer, check out my other video, Why Smart Entrepreneurs Are Turning to Pippit AI for Their Content, a deep dive into every feature. Trust me, you won't want to miss it.